Good morning again. We're back. We are trying to do what we planned to do yesterday, which is go to the Amber Fall. The weather isn't looking too good at the moment. I'll film as much as I can. I don't want to get the camera too wet, but and my breakfast has arrived. Thank you very much. Cheers. Thank you. So we've just arrived at the Water Palace. It's a palace in the middle of the water. It's pretty cool. It's on the way to the Amber Fall, so we're here to have a little look at that. We've just arrived at Amber Fall. Looking seriously impressive. Looks pretty cool. So you know what's coming next. Roll the montage. Our next stop is a place called Monkey Temple, which it's just lots of monkeys, and feed the monkeys, look at the temple. Yeah, it's just monkeys everywhere. I think this cow here is giving birth, but we're being harassed by kids. No money. No. No. It's a long old walk. I think we're only halfway, but the view's incredible. Taking the walk down to Monkey Temple now. It's a brilliant view yet again. Just surrounded. We're like in the middle of the mountains. The city's on our left hand side. And then there's this gorgeous landscape. And nestled in the middle of it is this so-called Monkey Temple. I don't believe we're meant to film it in here, but this is Monkey Temple. I think the premise is at night time, when the sun comes down, all the monkeys come to this bit of water to drink and wash and stuff, but I'll shoot what I can. I promise I'm not going to die death by monkey on this trip, but we just had some peanuts and they're not happy. We just went into some temple, and I don't know whether you can see. That happened. I don't know how, I don't know why. I'm now walking around with a orange splodge on my head. And they tried to make me pay for it. Wasn't going to happen. But it's all interesting nonetheless. Still in Monkey Temple. We've got a long walk back to the tuk-tuk now. So I'll see you then. We're walking back up the mountain to our tuk-tuk driver. I'm so unfit. I'll catch up with you once we're getting some lunch or doing something a bit more relaxing, and I'm not so sweaty with a stupid orange mark on my head. We've arrived back at the hostel now. It's fairly late in the evening. We're gonna grab something to eat, chill out, edit. I've got to book a couple more buses. My next stop's Jasmine, so I think I'm going to end it here. See you guys tomorrow.